Hi, this is Casey from Mastin Labs, giving you a quick walkthrough on how to install your Capture One custom workspace for Windows. To start, copy the folder path listed in Step 3, starting with App Data all the way to Workspaces. Then, click the Download for Windows link above. Locate the Workspace zip file, right-click, and select Extract All. In the dialog box, highlight everything after your username. In our case, the username is Mastin Labs. Paste the folder path copied from earlier. Hit Enter and start Capture One. Navigate to the top of your screen where you see the Window tab. Move down to Workspace and find the Mastin Labs option at the bottom. In the top right of your Tool tab bar, you'll see a circle icon with the number 1. Click that to open your custom Mastin Labs workspace, created for optimal efficiency when using Mastin Labs styles.